Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to change the backlight timeout duration on this device. Basically, how quickly the backlight will turn off after you press the light button and you stop using your watch. First, we need to press and hold the menu button to open the menu. Then, use the down button to scroll down and scroll down until you find the system option. And then, once you select the system, press the GPS button. Here, scroll down, find the backlight option, select it and press the GPS button. And then scroll down. And we have during activity, general use, and during sleep options. Select one, for example, during activity. This option basically allows you to customize the settings for the backlight when you're tracking the activity on your watch. So if you're on a run or swimming and you're tracking the activity, this is gonna be affecting the watch then. So if you're tracking activity on your watch, you're gonna customize the settings for it for that time on your watch. General use is, of course, when you're using your watch normally, not tracking anything, just simply using your watch. And during sleep is when you have the sleep time set up on your watch and you can basically adjust the settings for your sleeping. Okay, let's select during activity first. Press GPS button and then scroll down. And at the bottom we have timeout. You can select it, then press GPS, and here we can scroll through the list of timeouts by swiping up and down, or rather pressing up and down buttons. Select the timeout you want, or duration rather, and then press GPS button. And now, when I'm tracking the activity and I press the light button to wake up the backlight, or just simply start using the watch, and it's gonna be automatically backlit, the backlight will turn off automatically after 15 seconds. Okay. Next we have general use. Select it, scroll down, select timeout, press GPS, and find the duration you like, and then press the GPS button to confirm. So now the backlight during the normal use will turn off after 4 seconds. So if we turn it off and turn it on, wait 4 seconds, it should turn off like this, as you can see. Okay, and the last option is during sleep, and here you can customize it for it when you're sleeping, and you can select the timeout, of course, select the duration, and then once you're done, you can press back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the backlight timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.